Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. How's everybody doing today? Thank you so much for joining me. Today we've got a full plate. So today we have a new product coming from Surebonder. Number 2, we have a giveaway, so stick around for that. Number 3, we have a beautiful fall. Hello, Wreath. First, why don't we talk about that new product from Surebonder, and what they've done is they've joined forces with Grace Monroe Home to create this crafting and DIY glue skillet. So if you haven't checked out Grace Monroe Home before, check out her blog and check out her YouTube as well. Today I'm going to be testing out this little puppy, and I wanted to thank Surebonder for sending me this product. Today you can have a chance to win this and a couple of other items as well. First, why don't we talk about the wreath? Let's get started, and I'll show you how I made it. I have a 14-inch wire wreath frame from the Dollar Tree, and I found these burlap crafting fabric packages. They're 8.2 feet long, and I got 4 of them just to try it out to see. And at the Dollarama, I found these little packages of pumpkins and pine cones. They have like a shimmery metallic. There's like a copper package, a gold package, and like a green shimmery package. So I got 6 packages in total. And for a little sign that I'm going to add, I'm using this wood hanging decor and this little sticker from the Dollar Tree. That's everything that I'm going to use today to create this wreath. So I have my skillet going, and the first thing I'm going to do is add this burlap to my frame. All I'm going to do is take that little handy dandy tool, apply a little glue down there, and then I'm just going to attach that right there onto the wreath frame, and then I'm going to wrap that burlap all the way around. Now this burlap is about 2.5–3 inches thick, and like I said, it's just a little bit over 8 feet long, and that's not going to cover the whole thing. So halfway through, I'm just going to use that glue skillet with the tool, apply that glue, use the other end of that tool just to kind of hold everything in place so I don't burn my fingers, add a little bit more glue down, and use that other end to push it. And to attach my second roll that I'm going to wrap around, I do the same method using that handy dandy tool, and then I just start wrapping it all over again. And when I reach the end, I'm going to grab that tool and grab that glue skillet, and I'm going to do the same thing, cut off the excess, and then boom, we have our base wreath all ready to go. I'm just going to unpackage all of my pumpkins and pine cones. I just love this little package. It's so cute. The colors are great. So I'm just kind of sorting everything out. And now I'm just going to kind of plan where I want to put it. And I'm going to start with the larger ones, and I'm just going to dip the bottoms into that glue skillet. And one thing I like about the glue skillet is it does have a temperature gauge. So when you heat it up, you can put it on high, and then once it's all melted, you can put it right down to the low setting as well. And all I'm doing is I am dipping all my pumpkins and gourds and eventually my pine cones, and I'm just randomly attaching them to my wreath base here. And you can just see me going to town, adding all of these wonderful little embellishments onto my wreath, making our beautiful fall wreath. And of course, using the skillet is nice and easy. It's nice and quick. Here we are. I'm finally done attaching everything to that base, and now it's time for a little embellishment. I'm going to start off making a very, very simple bow. I am going to cut the burlap. So this is the same burlap that I used to wrap the wreath. And I'm going to cut 3 pieces at 18 inch. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm just going to pinch together just a little bit above the center mark. So again, you're folding it in half, pinching it a little bit above the midpoint, and I'm going to place it in between my 2-piece fingers. This is a very simple bow. The burlap is a little bit thick, so I don't want to overwhelm it. So right at the end, I'm going to attach it all with a pipe cleaner, twisting it, and you see I have 3 loops, and then I have 6 tails at the other end. And what I'm going to do with that excess pipe cleaner is I'm just going to use my scissors, cut it off, and then one thing that I like to do is just add a little bit of hot glue there just to hold everything in place so that bow doesn't come unraveled. Now that our bow is done and set to the side, I'm going to create our little hello sign. So from the Dollar Tree, I have this little sticker package and this little wood plank. I'm going to leave the wood plank the same natural color that it is. I'm not going to stain it, but if you want to stain it, go right ahead. I did have a little trouble, I'm not going to lie, with the sticker. I believe once I peeled off that plastic coating, the sticker was supposed to come with it, but it didn't. Now, all I'm interested in is the hello letters or the hello font. So I did take my X-Acto knife and I peeled off very, very carefully in little sections that hello and added it onto my wood plank. Of course, like I said, I think they were supposed to come off with the plastic and I tried to do it here, but it didn't work again. So it was a little bit of a mess up on my part, but hey, you know what? I made it work in the end and it did come out really, really well. I was very happy with it once I got it all going and got it all down. And here is our little hello sign. I just love how it turned out. What do you guys think? How about we talk about that giveaway right now? All there is, one simple rule. You do have to be a resident of the US or of Canada in order to enter and for your chance to win this giveaway today. How do you enter? All you have to do is leave me a comment down below. That's it. That's all. Anything that you want to talk about, anything that you want to say, or if you just want to leave me a happy face emoji, that's great. All you have to do is just leave a comment right down below, and that is your entry and your chance to win our giveaway today. What's included in our giveaway? Well, you've seen me use this morning. This is the Grace Monroe Home and Surebonder collaboration glue skillet. Made by crafters for crafters. Included is the glue skillet, the 2 tools that you've seen me use this morning as well, the glue pellets, you get 1 pound of that, and you've also seen me use that pink silicone mat. That's also included in the giveaway package. So remember, a resident of the United States or of Canada, what are you going to win? This wonderful handy dandy new tool. And how to enter? Just leave a comment right down below. Let's get back to making that wreath. I want to finish it. How about you? Yes, let's finish this wreath. I have my hello sign and I have my wreath back. So what I'm going to do is I am going to glue down that hello sign. First, I kind of found a level area and then I just start gluing it down right in the corners there. And I'm just adding more glue. And then once it's kind of settled, I'm going to put some more glue right on top at the corners, as you can see there. And I'm going to totally let that dry before I continue on. And now here is our little bow. And I'm just separating our tails just to kind of place it down nice and flat. And then I'm going to take more hot glue, and a lot of it this time. And I'm actually going to glue down that bow to the wood sign. And of course, I'm going to lay out all of my tails, and I'm going to fluff up my bows and my loops and get it the way I want it before that glue completely dries. And there we go. I'm just going to add some finishing touches. I have some pine cones and I have some gourds and pumpkins left over. So I'm just going to add a little bit more embellishments around the sign, kind of incorporating the sign right into that wreath. And I'm adding some more embellishments where the bow is. And now we have a nice full wreath ready for fall and ready for anybody who comes to your front door. So you could say, hello. What do you guys think of the wreath today? I just love how this turned out, and I love the colors of this wreath. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun creating that fall hello wreath. The sticker was a little bit crazy, but hey, it worked out in the end, didn't it? Don't forget, your chance to win this beautiful giveaway, the glue skillet, the tools, the silicone mat, and those little glue pellets. All you have to do to enter, leave me a comment down below. And while you're at it, why don't you let me know what you guys think about today's video, about the glue skillet. Do you like it? Would you try it? And down below, there is going to be a link as well. It is affiliated if you wish to purchase this glue skillet package. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye for now.